Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Motorcycle Mondays. I am down in Stillwater, Oklahoma. Got a deal that I could not pass up that we're working on. Let me show you a few things. Here is a lift and a couple of tank covers and some parts. And we have 4 Honda GL 1100s that I'm picking up today. Should be interesting loading all that up. I'm actually watching all the kids load it up right now, and I know that they are excited about that, watching me do a video while they're loading. All right, well, we have got a full truck, full trailer, even the back seat is full. I can't hardly see out, but we got to get this stuff back to Tulsa. We got a little bit of a drive, so here we go. All right, well, I am back in Tulsa from Stillwater, and we got this whole load here. Actually, we still got a little bit that we got to go back for, but this was one of those things where I could not pass up the deal that I was offered. Here is a lot of things, a lot of parts in the back of the truck, and there's a lift under there, and then we have 2 1983s, a 1982 and a 1981 GL 1100. I've got lots of saddlebags, other parts, all the chrome, 2 spare engines that I still have to go back and get, along amongst a few other things. So pretty good haul for the day. I am excited to get started on this. I made a deal with the guy that I'm building one of them for him and the rest is mine, and we're gonna get after it. So here we go. And if you guys are like, hey, what happened to the GL 1000 or the CB 750? Well, I'm still working on those things. I just don't happen to go in order all the time. So I'm running this channel with a short video format and bouncing around the way it happens in my brain. So I'm gonna take it one step at a time. I hope you guys enjoy it, and we will see you on the next episode.